When you're hungry and you want to have a late snack, you guys know what I'm doing? Sorry for all the movement, guys, but I'm holding the phone with my hand. I don't have my tripod. Guys, all I have today, I was thinking that all I have today to eat was this morning, breakfast. I had 2 over easy eggs with 1 sweet plantain that I cooked. It was so good. That was my breakfast, guys. So, and then I had, let me grab a napkin. I had a pizza of my banana bread with lemon that I made. Oh, it was so good. So, yeah, that's what I have today, guys. And I am hungry. As a matter of fact, I'll show you the banana bread. I made that in a recipe. It is so good. But I'm not feeling like to eating that. So I want to eat French toast. Yes, guys. That's what I'm making. French toast. So this is going to be a quick short video. I want it to be nice and golden brown. Let's flip this again. It looks so good. Oh yes. And I'm using store brand full basket sugar-free syrup. Sugar-free. Alright guys, let's flip. Oh yeah. I don't know about you, but I like to put syrup in between layers. Yummy. The stove is off, and guys, bon appetit. This is what it looks like. Yummy. Guys, I don't come in camera because honestly, I am on my nightgown and I am a hot mess. Alright guys, I'm going to eat my French toast. And it is 11:31 p.m. Bon appetit. Bye-bye.